God, these learners, who lets them drive?
Are you ready, sir?
Yep.
Now you're going to be here, yes?
Yep.
Do you want sat nav or signs?
Can we go for signs? Because I feel like I'm used to that.
Are you sure? Okay then, we can give you signs, so if that's what you want.
Is that you talking, you mean?
Just, phone signs. I can do whatever you want, whatever's easy for you. Right, what do we need? Today we're doing a mock test with, tell them your name.
Mahdi.
Tell them what you just graduated as.
So I've just finished doing medicine, so I start...
Doctor.
Yeah.
How long did it take you?
6 years. Hopefully it won't take that long to drive, but...
Qualified doctor.
Yeah.
Tell them when you first started to learn.
It was Monday last week.
Monday last week. He's been doing 5-hour lessons, and he's hoping to pass the mock test. He's had how many hours?
About 32 now, including today. 31.
31, including today. I could have put him in for a mock test about 24 hours and got about 5 serious faults out of him, but we're going to give him a good chance of passing his mock test because he's got the chance to win £600. Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you any questions before we start?
Nope.
Right. What we're doing. Book. Okay, then you're going to be out for 38 to 40 minutes depending on traffic. You got that?
Yep.
You're going to take in various traffic and road conditions. One manoeuvre you practice with your training, possibly the control stop. Do you understand that?
Emergency brake.
Yeah, emergency stop, yeah.
Yep.
Now, throughout the drive, I'd like you to follow the road ahead at all times unless you're directed by signs and markings. Or I'll ask you to turn, which I will do some good time. Do you understand that?
Okay.
One question, young man. How would you check your brake lights are working before starting a journey?
So I'd open the front of the car. For the brake lights, I would, it's behind here, I would open up the case in front of it and check to make sure it's above the minimum and below the maximum. I don't know, I can't remember what you said. It was like 2 minutes ago.
Are you sure you're going to be a doctor?
Yeah, usually people don't have brake fluids in their body, so...
I'll ask the question again.
Okay.
Tell me how you check your brake lights are working before starting a journey.
Brake light? I thought you said fluid.
Well, I've got it on video here. So.
Yeah, no. So I've got for brake lights. You nudge on the brake and you use your reflections in the mirrors and cars around you.
We'll get somebody to help you. Well done.
Well,
I'm going to wish him the very best of luck. I'm expecting this young man to pass and win £600. Turn right out of here, please. And I'll give you signs.
Okay, I'm just checking the blind spot. Turn right out of here.
And then turn left.
Okay, you got it. Left or right?
At the end of the road, turn right, please. Okay.
Wait for that chap to go. He's gonna wait, he's going quite fast.
Safe to do so. Could you show me how you open and close your window?
Okay, it's safe to do so. Nudge it down, nudge it up.
Minor fault number 1, Dr. Mahdi. It goes down his use of mirrors. You brake quite aggressively. Luckily for you, there was nobody behind. Had there been somebody close behind, then I would have given you a serious fault because there was no reason whatsoever to jump on these brakes. Maybe you thought this red car was going to turn in front of you, but it didn't look like that to me. So only you can explain this one, Doc. It's summit hour from Dr. Mahdi. Minor fault number 2 goes down for stall. He just lifts off the clutch without putting any gas on. He does recover well and just gets straight back on with it. But, Doc, you shouldn't be stalling the car. Put the goddamn gas on before you lift the clutch, please. Oh, and the signal was a bit late, but I'm not going to mark that. I'm being kind of letting you off of that one. Minor fault number 3, Doc Mahdi. You leave the signal on all the way down here. On a different day where there's no roadworks, this could be a serious fault. But it's luckily for you today, it's only a minor. I've had people spill for leaving signals on.
Construction, I'm just conscious of it. I'm just going to be slow, going to pass these guys.
Just follow the road ahead at all times unless you're directed by signs and markings.
Stop.
At the roundabout, turn right. It's the 4th exit.
Right, 4th exit. Roundabout, turn right, 4th exit.
Follow the road ahead, 2nd exit, and take the next immediate right.
Follow the road ahead, 2nd exit.
And then the next immediate right.
Careful on the chap. Immediate right.
Serious fault number 1 for you, Dr. Mahdi. Oh, Doc, you douchebag. This little trick has just cost you £600. And what I can't work out here is we turned right here the day before, or the day before that one, and you turned this junction perfect. Today, you don't read the signs properly, you try to turn down the wrong side of the road, and I had to grab the wheel, and the exam will mark on the DL25 that he took verbal action. Dr. Mahdi, what a plonker.
Behind.
That one then.
That one, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw. If you get £600 safe.
At the roundabout, follow the road ahead, it's the second exit.
Yep. If you get £600 safe.
At the roundabout, follow the road ahead, it's the second exit.
Yep. Actually painful doing this. Buy a PS5 with that.
And could you just pull up on the left just before that wagon? A little bit further forward for us, please.
Okay, sure.
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going.
I'm going.
That'll do, stop there. Thanking you. Parallel park time.
Okay.
Pull up alongside the wagon in reverse in park position. Try to do within 2 car lengths including your own.
Cyclist just gone. Double check both the blind spots. Professional camera can. Alright. Can I check that, please? Can you check on your side? Where that is. Check. Okay, thank you. I'm just going to adjust that. That's okay. Pedestrian, I'm going to have to stop in a sec. Stopping.
Thank you. That'll do there.
Thank you.
Minor fault number 4, Dr. Mahdi. Yeah, observations. Really good. Speed really good. You just turned a little bit late, but then you shunted forwards and backwards. So well done with that. But you get a minor fault for control.
Yeah.
Right, driver, when you're ready. Now at the end of the road, turn left.
I think he's giving way. Cheers. Yeah, because he's got the spot. Thank you so much. Turn left.
Yep.
Thank you.
you pull up on the left-hand side, please?
Okay.
Right, turn the car off. How do you think you done?
Was that the whole test?
Mhm.
Well, I failed it. I know that. 'Cause I noticed it and I started turning it and you grabbed the wheel.
Yeah, I had to
So,
let
I-
you do it first.
Yeah, but I did notice that, and I did stop, and there wasn't any cars coming, so I think it was only a minor. I think you're gonna put it down as dangerous. Never mind, serious.
If there'd been a car there, it would have been dangerous, but there's nobody
So
there.
it's serious though.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Guess I'm not getting that PlayStation 5, you know.
Well, that was the only thing you done wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no way.
There was a couple of dodgy things, but you got away with it. But what I can't understand is...
The parallel park.
No, that was fine. That was a plus.
That bit, you know how many times I've turned into that because it's
Hmm?
having cycles. Sorry, I pressed that button. The amount of times I've turned into that place. So I should really
Hang on a
know
minute.
it.
Dude, we've turned in there before.
Where's that?
That's where you tried to turn down the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, the Evan cycles. Yeah, I've turned there myself
know.
on my bike or with my mum so many times.
Right, but we've turned there also.
I know.
You turned right there the other day, and you went up there and just went
I
round
don't know.
there.
I just
Can you explain it? You're
no,
a doctor.
No, I can't. God, gonna have to scan my head. See if there's anything there.
You'll have to go and see a doctor and see
Yeah.
what they say to that one. That was it, really.
So one serious.
Yeah. If
You know what?
If you just turned there, you passed.
So close to £600.
And to be fair with you,
I did notice it and I did correct it.
No. What you done is you stopped here,
Yeah.
then
too
you
early.
started to turn. Now, when I say you start turning, I kind of let that happen. I'm just grabbing the wheel. Have you got that?
But you know, I came very close.
You
Came
did.
extremely close.
The other thing that
Yeah.
you nearly failed for, you were driving down a road, and you're very lucky the car behind was far away.
Is it because did I come to an abrupt stop? Was it?
You
I came to quite an abrupt stop, I think.
No. You were driving down the road, and there's a car turning right, just on Durham Road there, and you jumped on the brake and said, "Oh, sorry."
Because
Remember?
it looked like he was just gonna swerve in. I don't know. I'll have to watch the video and have a look.
Well, it won't look so bad on video because you slowed quite down a bit, and the car behind you, if it'd been really close, I would have given you a serious fault.
All right, fair enough.
You could have maybe come off the gas, but there's no need to hit the brake. Can you remember?
It was the exam nerves. That's what I'll call
Is
it. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, exam nerves.
Right. Other than that,